50 years, United Downs Raceway has been holding race events right here on land owned by Cornwall Council. Unfortunately for Cornish race fans, the Raceway's lease on the site ends on October 31st, and the council are looking at other options for the site. Developers are now planning to build a rum distillery biome, cafe and visitor centre on this site. This would not only put an end to the tradition of stock and banger racing in the county, but also affect the wider community that uses the track for all manner of different reasons.
I'm one of the. I was one of the bangers and mash-up crew, and the only reason we could actually do this festival is because it's at the banger track, because nobody else wants to lend us their place. Well, they do, but they all want to charge you money. Well, we're trying to do a festival for a £5, and if you haven't got enough money, you just get let in anyhow. So if you're trying to do something like that, you're really trying to save money, and if you have to pay 10,000 for a piece of land to use, then you know you're not going to be able to do the festival. An online petition has raised almost 10,000 signatures, and race organisers are campaigning to keep the track open.
It's a peculiar sport because it's very resilient. It has a number of challenges, as many sports do, but it still seems to find a way to adapt and evolve and change its way. But it's still serving up family entertainment, the like of which is, you know, in some respects, I guess it's a little bit old-fashioned, but it is a day out and it's great fun for the family, and it's accessible. You know, you can come to the racing. People walk around the pit area. It's accessible. You know, you often see children, you know, either getting autographs of the drivers, or more likely, speaking of the drivers, can I get in your car, mister? And you know, all the drivers love a bit of attention, and so you often see children climbing into the cars in the pit area. It's such a wonderful family opportunity, and memories are made of that for children. It's all one big family. It's all one big community. And I think that to take that away from a community that's it's been there for, you know, 6 decades now, then I see no sense in ending it. If stock car racing was on a downward spiral and this was only going to be affecting a small number of people, then I think that, you know, maybe it was time to kill it off. But it's alive, it's buoyant, it's in good health. There are an assortment of options. I think that the nice, quick and easy fix, and I think people would just feel like I've done a little bit of something to help. I think they can sign the online petition.
If you want to support the racetrack, you can sign the petition or come along to one of the track's final race meetings this Sunday or the 31st of October.